lane.
I go like this, but can you still win?
Ben likes to say
What
Benny
else can you put around
better
the
than his Benny name,
Nope.
so he can be a
Look at your-
spaceman. According to Ghibli, she had a high house,
So you won.
and of course
Daddy
her
tried to block
home
over
was
here,
used.
but
She
blocking
had a
here
wet
didn't protect
home,
me
and
from over
of
there.
course
I
it was
only won at a time.
beautiful.
So you won that one.
I am a beautiful
Yeah.
girl, that's Grandma. She
Yep.
really wasn't. She had different shirts. She had a job to do. She got to
You do
play
not
with
Star
Polly
Wars.
Pockets. She had a nice warm house. She had lots of windows. She had a
And you
cat.
played
She had a
Candyland
cow.
probably,
She had a pig. She had and chocolate fudge. She had cereal. She had horses.
What a life.
Yeah. She had a snake. She had a bat. She had a bat in a cave and in a cage. And she had a snake in a big cage.
I hope the snake was in the cage.
She locked the cage.
I wouldn't want that snake to end up in my bed at night.
She had the snake in her bedroom. Louis. Can cats come in? So then this is M's. Hey, I still have a beautiful house. M's. Oh, it's the house. He thinks she said M's the house, but she didn't really say M's the house. So he says, oh, M's the house, but she didn't say M's the house. He doesn't know what people say because,
Does he not hear very well?
well, he has ears. He can hear anything very well, but she talks like, hey. She talks like that. So did you not hear me say hey?
I kind of heard it. Just a little bit.
She
So
can't.
she talks real quiet? Is that what
Yeah,
you're saying?
yeah, she talks like this.
Yeah.
That would be really... I didn't hear that at all. What did you say?
I said,
When you get down,
Oh.
you get in trouble.
Yeah.
so that's why I didn't hear her, because she talks like that.
I
who
thought
do you wanna
maybe
be?
she was a mumbler, like Mommy.
She-
I mumble.
She's not mumble.
She's not a mumbler. She's just really quiet.
Go ahead.
Yeah, she talks like this.
6.
1.
I was saying,
that's
hey,
me, that's
hey,
me,
hey,
that's
hey,
me.
hey. I was talking about, hey, that horse is
It
eating.
kind of looks like she's yelling, just really quietly.
Yeah,
Does she yell a lot silently?
no, but she's just talking.
Oh, no.
Oh, just as a house. I love this backyard. It has to be lawn because I have a black cat and a wing-eared and what?
You get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She said, I wish I had another bat. That's what she said.
Oh, what's the picture?
Yeah.
mean?
Pachagoo means
You get 1,
I have a striped shirt. Oh, if you give me one, then I'll give my shirt back to you and give back shirts to you even though I just got it.
Oh, that's quite a lot for a picture.
1.
Yeah.
Get more than 2 this time.
Two